welcome to Trara Solution. In today's session, we'll be seeing the other module, which is application-based threats and how to protect against them. So in today's session, we'll be seeing different types of application and few of the application threats which are caused. So before going, let's see few definitions like what is software. Software is a collection or set of commands in the form of code that instructs a computer or device to do some form of work. Software runs on top of the hardware, which is a physical component of a device. Therefore, software comes in two types, a system software and an application software. Let's see what is a system software. System software is the first thing that runs when you turn on your device and manages the different components that make it work. It also creates a framework that enables application to run properly and to mitigate problems while they stop working. This system software can be characterized by the following. It controls or facilitates the hardware and the processes of a system, such as a keyboard, mouse, network, and video. It can run independently. It typically runs in the background. Example, your computer's operating system and utilities like the antivirus and firewall are all system software. Let's see what is application software. Application software, also known as applications, which are designed with a specific purpose. This include word processing, spreadsheets, email, and instant messaging, to name a few. These applications are designed to work on specific instance of system software, and the majority are available for the most popular system. Application software can be characterized by the following. Doing specialized work such as word processing, video editing, and messaging, designed for the user to interact with directly. Typically, it does not run independently and needs system software. It needs to be installed by a user. Examples of application software. We are using application software to do all sort of things. So they come in all shapes and sizes. Example, word processor, email apps, internet browsers, and image editors. Applications can run on all types of devices such as desktops, mobiles, and appliances. Another example, games are applications that can run on desktop, mobile devices, and even smart televisions. Applications are also becoming proactive and intelligent. The other example, the map application on your mobile phone could be tracking your location to provide real-time traffic information. If you are not interacting with it, apps on your devices are collecting important data about you, like your location, how long you stay at the given place, your browser search history, and more. So the information collected is shared with other apps. Example, your browser search history is often shared with social media sites so they can provide targeted advertisements based on that information. Thank you all.